This drone came with us because this drone was having a problem in the spraying system, exactly in the pump number 1. This drone at least come to the workshop 3 times. This is the 4th time that this drone came with us. So to fix this problem, we hope that the drone don't come back to the workshop, and we hope so many times. We change it. The spraying module, the spraying adaptive module, the impeller pump motor, and the cable and the signal cables of the pumps. So in the remote controller now, if we see in the remote controller, now we didn't see the problem of the impeller pump or pump number 1 disconnected. So if we try to spray, we see that in both arms, the pumps are working. So again, I'm gonna tell, this drone came to the workshop 3 times. This is the 4th time that the drone came with us. So to try to fix the problem, we changed the spraying module, a spraying adaptive module, the impeller pump motor number 1, and the signal cables of the pumps. So this is what we do to this drone to fix it.